Hey everybody, here we are on Tuesday. It's a little muddy, but we've been trying to pick some of this garlic. Obviously I got a little bit of mud, but we're gonna make it dry out here. Here's the skid of it, but looking really good. Nice and fresh. Look at the size of that garlic. Hey everybody, Steve Bouchard here. Once again, let's get into one of our vlogs. Hey everybody, just starting to get some green peppers out here. Aren't these loaded? What do I do on a rainy day? I come in the greenhouse and I pick some grape tomatoes. Here they are. It's Tuesday, they should be good and ripe by Friday for the market. It's a little wet, you don't have to go out there. I got some real nice zucchini right here. I can film it. Hey everybody, after a good rain, 2-inch rain, I just came out in the field to check out the cabbage. It's on the verge of being ready. Can't believe it. Won't be long. Also, we've been picking zucchini. We picked it all yesterday, but as you can see, it's already grown really well. A little muddy. Get some beautiful fresh zucchini. We pick the zucchini every other day. Everybody, yesterday this was full of water. Looks like the water's left. That's our squash, butternut, acorn, pepper squash, spaghetti squash, and some of my late tomatoes. They're looking good, ready to go. And a lot of onions. And all our peppers. Looking really good. Just stop by, take a look at these onions. I'm hoping on getting some of these picked so we can bring some to the market. They are still young, but they look really good. We've really worked hard on them. But I think, actually I'm sure, by Saturday, I'll be able to bring some fresh Spanish onions. Nothing like a good old fresh Spanish onion. And yeah, there's maybe 100,000 out here. Don't forget, as you can see, the fields are still growing. Crops look really good. Here's a sample of our packed up garlic in 5-pound bags. Come and get them. You can come to one of our markets, Windsor Market, on Saturday morning between 9 and 2. Come to the Amherstburg Farmers Market on Saturday morning. It's also between 9 and 1, or no, maybe 8:30 and 1. Come to our little stand in Amherstburg at the Family Medical Center, across from the GM dealer. We're open there on Wednesdays from 10 to 4 and on Sundays from 10 to 4. And as you can see, we're getting a lot of these fresh crops right out of the field, ready to roll. Thanks for your support.